Hi, I'm Jake. On this episode of Rig Rundown, we're looking at the Sherwood 15-inch portable thicknesser. Now you may be looking at this machine thinking, how on earth is this possibly portable? We'll start with the rundown on the specs, and then I'll talk to you about portability. Basic specs on this machine: 2200 watt motor, 3 horsepower, which is quite substantial for a portable thicknesser. It comes as standard with a 3-blade straight blade cutter head. It has the option of installing a spiral helical head as well. It does cost a little bit more, but you'll make that back pretty quickly with the time and energy you save having to clean up after it. It has a maximum planing capacity of approximately 380 mm wide and approximately 152 mm high. It also has 4 support posts that are chain driven for precise height adjustment. So that's the basic specs of this model. Let's start talking about portability. So we're looking at the motor sitting on top of this absolute behemoth, wondering what in the world am I referring to when I'm talking about portability. Now, portability in this instance refers to the fact that because the motor is mounted on top, there's nothing underneath. You can lose both the cabinet, you can also lose the feed tables, and the footprint only takes up approximately 600 mm wide, about 600 mm deep, and about 700 mm in height. Now, in an industrial thicknesser, the motor is mounted underneath. As you will see with the motor beside me, it's mounted on top. Now, the motor and the cutter head are one assembly. By removing it from the bottom, you keep it flat. It means you can carry the entire assembly around and place it wherever you need to. That means you can take it out on site. Now, it is a 15 amp plug, so I mean, you guys out on domestic sites can't even get clean toilets, let alone 15 amp power. It is definitely handy taking out to a commercial site where you may be there for anywhere from 6 to 12 months. However, if you are taking it to the home workshop, make sure you get a licensed electrician to come in and take a look at your wiring. Now, if you're thinking about taking this out on site and you're wondering how exactly are you going to lug it around, well, first of all, you either get 2 apprentices or 2 brickies labourers, and then you show them the 4 handles that they'll be using to pick this up and lug it around on site for you. Because of the portability of the machine, the in-feed and out-feed tables and the cabinet are sold separately, so if you are picking one up, make sure you chuck them in the cart as well. As with all Sherwood machinery, it comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty as standard, so you don't need to worry about it breaking down. And that's it for another video. So for more information, hit the links below. Make sure you like, share and subscribe the page to help us grow. We'll see you in the next video.